YouTube channels, social media marketing agency, Amazon FBA, dropshipping, affiliate marketing. Today we're gonna find out which one is the best online business model out there for you in 2023. These 5 are the most common nowadays, and it can be overwhelming to decide which one is the right one for you, since you'll have to commit for at least a few months or even years before you either quit or see results. So we need to make sure you get into the right one. We'll go over the pros and cons of each one, so you can make an informed decision based on your situation and goals. And at the end of the video, we'll give you a conclusion on which business model we think is the best overall. So let's break it down. YouTube channels. YouTube channels are becoming increasingly popular as a way to make money online. Just like we're doing here ourselves with this channel. It's easy to see why. With a successful YouTube channel, you can reach a massive audience and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, merchandise, courses, you name it. We're all aware on how much money all the big YouTubers are making, and it's tempting to not jump into it and try to make some money for ourselves. However, it's important to keep in mind that building a successful YouTube channel takes time, commitment, and a lot of hard work. It's not uncommon for you to take at least 6 months to 2 years before you start seeing some significant income from your channel. Mr. Beast has famously and repeatedly said how many years it took him to start making money from YouTube. And same goes for most big YouTubers nowadays. In addition to the time and efforts it takes to create and upload content consistently, you'll also need to be creative and think outside of the box to stand out in such a crowded space. On the plus side, once you've built up your channel and established a loyal audience, it can be one of the easiest ways to make money quickly. It's like having your own little money-making machine, as you can constantly monetize your audience. Running a YouTube channel and uploading videos is something that might seem easy when you see it from your computer screen, but when you have to sit down and do it yourself consistently while entertaining people, you realize it takes a lot of work. So make sure this is something you like before jumping in, and you're not just chasing it for the money, because it will take a while before you start seeing those monthly checks from Google. And if you don't love making videos, you might hate the whole process. Social media marketing agencies. Social media marketing agencies have gained a lot of popularity in recent years, with people like Tai Lopez, who brought them into the mainstream, and others like Iman Gadzhi still talking about it and promoting it to this day. The good thing about starting a social media marketing agency is that you don't need many customers to make significant money. One single client could easily pay you between $1,000 and $10,000 a month. So with just 2 to 5 clients, you could be making well over 5 figures per month. However, starting an online marketing agency does have its challenges. You'll need to have some level of innate sales skills and charisma to be successful and sign those initial clients without previous testimonials or experience. And if you don't know how to run ads and manage social media, you'll need to hire and manage some employees, even if they are outsourced. So you'll need those management skills as well. Another potential drawback is that the market for social media marketing agencies is becoming increasingly competitive, with so many people selling you their courses and claiming this is the best business model out there. Besides, it's possible that much of what these agencies offer will eventually be replaced by automated AI, since the websites used to manage social media and run ads are becoming more and more simplistic, to the point it's very likely that in a few years, businesses themselves will be able to do everything in-house because of how simple it will be to run ads and manage social media due to AI. Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA, also known as Fulfillment by Amazon, is a business model that has been around for a while, and people aren't talking about it as much as they used to, so it might be a good time to get in. Amazon is the biggest e-commerce store in the world and keeps growing each year, so there's always room for new sellers. Plus, many successful brands have come out of Amazon and ended up building their own brands with their own e-commerce stores and turning into multi-million-dollar businesses. Also, once you position your product, Amazon FBA can turn into an almost passive income stream, since you can have your product there and the only thing you need to do is to send more units from time to time, and that's it. That being said, starting an Amazon FBA business does require some upfront investment, which can easily range from $2,000 to $5,000, as you'll need to buy and send your products from China to the Amazon warehouse. This process can take multiple months. There's always the risk that your product will not be a good market fit and will not sell. However, people are still making a lot of money with Amazon FBA, so it's definitely worth considering if you're up for the challenge. Dropshipping. Dropshipping has been a popular business model for a while now, and it involves selling products online without having to hold any of the inventory yourself. I'm sure we all know how it goes by now. The idea is that you partner with a supplier who handles the manufacturing and shipping of the product, and you handle the marketing and customer service. You sell a product online and then the supplier will ship it directly to your customer. While dropshipping has the potential to be very lucrative and simple business model, it's important to keep in mind that it's not as easy as it used to be. Customers now expect higher quality products and better overall service. They are more aware of scams, and a bad or ugly website will not be enough. as they will be very skeptical about you. In addition, advertising costs have gone up across all platforms, but especially on Facebook, so it can be harder to turn a profit selling low-ticket items from sites like AliExpress, as most people used to do back in the golden days of dropshipping. To be successful with dropshipping nowadays, you'll need to have a deep understanding of online buying psychology and be able to optimize your store for the highest conversion rate possible. This includes setting up upsells, downsells, cross-sells, also working on your email marketing sequences to increase your average order value and customer lifetime value. Another thing to consider is using influencers, especially on platforms like TikTok, to help acquire customers. While Facebook ads are still a popular method for acquiring customers, influencer marketing can give you an edge over your competition. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning commissions for each sale you make. It's relatively a passive business model when it comes to the physical side of things, as you don't have to worry about creating or stocking products, nor about customer support or payment processors, and you can promote products from a wide range of niches. So you're not limited to one thing and can easily switch to something else if what you're currently promoting isn't working. The commissions you can get for selling products from platforms like ClickBank or MaxWeb or Digistore24 can go from $50 per sale up to $500. Usually, the average nowadays tends to be around $150 per sale. Another good thing is that you'll be leveraging the expertise of the people who own the product, because you'll make the sales through their own websites. They have poured hundreds of thousands of dollars optimizing their websites and hiring the best copywriters in the world. Now all you gotta do is to get people into their website, and when they buy, you'll get a percentage of the sale. It is said that learning affiliate marketing is like learning to be a salesman. Once you learn it, you'll never go hungry. As a salesman, you can get a job at any company. There's always something to sell to somebody. Being in affiliate marketing is the same thing. There's always a product that needs a customer, and a customer that needs a product. You just have to connect both. There's some people in the affiliate marketing space who, as crazy as it sounds, make more than $10,000 a day in pure profit. But think about it. If you're selling a product and getting $150 per sale, you only need to make 7 sales a day to make $1,000. The elite of the elite in affiliate marketing world can make more than $1 million a month, but those are only a handful of people. A lot of people used to run ads on Facebook for affiliate marketing, but over the last few years, the advertising costs have spiked, and Facebook as a platform has become very strict on what kind of things you can promote there. So many people quit, but there's still a big opportunity out there, because all the customers are still there, but many of the marketers have left. So which of these business models is the best for making money online in 2023? Ultimately, it depends on your goals, skills, and resources. YouTube channels can be a great long-term option, but they require a lot of hard work and dedication. Online marketing agencies can be lucrative, but they require sales skills and the ability to manage a team. Amazon FBA can be a good choice, but it requires upfront investment, and there's always the risk of unsold inventory. Dropshipping has the potential to be profitable, but it's more competitive now and requires a deep understanding of online buying psychology.
And with affiliate marketing, organic traffic can take a long time to build, and if you go with paid traffic, yes, it's going to be the fastest way to get leads, but it requires ad spend budget and knowledge to know how to find leads on paid platforms. Now, you can try to figure out how to make money online on your own, but if you want to go straight to the right answer and learn literally the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop, and you'll learn how you can start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible. So click the link in the description now.